Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Please stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. So for Appies with Chappie by the lake, we're going to make Tostones. Now, Tostones are popular throughout the Caribbean. It's a twice fried plantain, also known as pastones or patacones. So they're extremely popular in Latin America and Caribbean, and they're commonly eaten as side dishes or as a late night snack from street vendors. So I just bought a Tostone maker. Okay, so look at that. Basically, I'm going to cut the plantains into coins. I'm going to fry them. And then I'm going to take my my Tostone maker, flatten them, and then according to a lot of Latin cooking YouTube channels, you're supposed to soak them in lime and garlic water just so they don't brown, and that's after you flattened them, and then you fry them again. And then I'll probably get a nice dipping sauce. Now, you're supposed to use green plantains. I'm in rural British Columbia, and I literally went to 5 different grocery stores before I found a plantain. But if you want to make traditional Tostones, try to get green plantains. They're less sweet. Now, the plantain itself is quite starchy. And it's more like a potato than a banana, even though it looks like a banana. But first up, we're going to make a drink. I'm just going to do a spicy Lynchburg lemonade. So I just have a glass of ice, and we'll go 2 ounces of Jack Daniels. That's a healthy pour. And then I found some President's Choice jalapeno lemonade. I actually just thought I was buying lemonade. I didn't notice there was a giant jalapeno on top. So I decided to make a spicy Lynchburg lemonade. So just Jack Daniels lemonade. And then this is the spicy lemonade. And then I got a nice fresh jalapeno as a garnish. And that's a that's a spicy Lynchburg lemonade. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. Check it out. So I got my garlic and lime water. I'm just going to add a little bit of sea salt to that. Mookie, look. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. So I got my Tostones here. So we need a drink to go with our appetizer. I call this a vodka passion fruit raspberry cocktail. That's a mouthful. So I got a nice hurricane glass full of ice. We're just going to build it over ice today. And so we'll go a good 2 ounces of vodka here. Ooh. Free pouring. And I got a ½ ounce of passion fruit liqueur. And we'll go about 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. All right, we got to add our raspberry components. So I got a ½ ounce of raspberry liqueur. We'll see if it floats on the top or sinks to the bottom. Either way, it's going to make a purty drink. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some raspberry soda water. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Check out my little Chihuahua Mookie, and I'm putting up some of my previous videos at the end screenshot of this upload. So this is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.